wrapped about this much butter. I'm gonna put that in there very fast, so I don't want too much steam out. Just stick it in the middle and put it back on. Then it melts and it kind of just does its thing, and then yeah, that's how I like to do mine. This is where I put it in. Before I put it in the oven though, I'm going to put some onions in there, the raw ones that I cut up earlier, about half of them, and then half of them after it's half done cooking. So I still have some crunchiness, but I have some onion flavor. So this has been marinating for about an hour, 15 minutes to an hour and a half. I'm going to go ahead and just add about half of the onions that I have. Then I'll leave the rest of these. Well, most likely not use all of them, but put the rest in the back. But about like that much is good for here. That I'll cook halfway through, and then as I flip them, I'm gonna go ahead and then add more onions throughout the process. So I have crunchy, but then, you know, that flavor. So that way I'm gonna put this heat back on. Put this in the oven. But we're gonna heat that up. We're gonna put that in there. I'm going to heat it up to 350 actually for me, because I like it super crunchy and cook faster. It's been about 30 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out, and then I'm just going to go ahead and flip them.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. My son in the back. Flip it. Like even sides, kind of shape them as they are, so kind of like, you know, make sure the space in between them. And leave the aluminum foil part off this time so we can get a crispier part on there. I think this would be also good with celery. I just don't have celery today, but yeah, I think it would also be a good alternative to use celery. Go ahead and put this back in like this. Got cold water in there for the gravy. Just got done separating me and my son's plates for the rice, but I'll show you that in a minute. Alright, just got those flipped over. Actually really fast. I just put them back in, but I'm going to put a couple onions to top them off really fast. Just open that up. So I have room. Put some onions in it. Just going to top it off. I'll just put all of them on there, little onions. Good for you anyways. Come on, people. Unless you're allergic, you know I get it. This one's mine. Gonna still get brown gravy in just a second, but